This is a tutorial on how to shorten your moto chain. First, measure the desired length and choose the link where you will shorten your chain. Use the angle grinder to grind off the tip of the pin that you selected. It should look something like this. Now find a nut and place it under the link that you just grinded. Use center punch tool or anything similar and start punching with a hammer. You will need to hammer it hard and many times. When you hammer the pin out, you can then disassemble the chain. To assemble the chain, find the chain link that is usually provided when you buy a new chain and connect it. Use pliers to lock that last piece together. Your chain is now assembled.